Question 5.48. What is the current in the 10 ohm resistor in the circuit in the figure? So here you have a combined series and parallel circuit. I will label the resistors as R1, R2, and R3. And we need to find current through the 10 ohm resistor. That means we need to find current through R1. So let us first find the equivalent resistance of the circuit. We will first begin with the resistor which is farthest from the battery, which is R3. And R3 is immediately connected to R2. And these two resistors are connected in parallel. So I'm going to find equivalent resistance for these two. And we write R32, which is equivalent resistance of resistor R2 and R3. Since they are in parallel, we use the rule 1 over R3 plus 1 over R2 raised to negative 1. So that gives me 1 over R3 is 20 plus 1 over R2 is also 20 raised to negative 1. So we get R32 to be equal to 10 ohm. Once I get equivalent resistance for R2 and 3, we will reconstruct our circuit. We keep the battery as it is. Then we have resistor R1. And then we have the combined resistance for R2 and 3, which I will call as R32. Next, these two resistors R1 and R32 are connected in series. So I will find their equivalent resistance as R equivalent equals R1 plus R32, which will be equal to R1 is 10 ohm, R32 is also 10 ohm, and when you solve them, you get the equivalent resistance of the whole circuit to be equal to 20 ohm. Once we get the equivalent resistance, we will find total current. The total current I can be found by dividing the total potential difference V with the equivalent resistance R. So we get V as 60, R equivalent is 20. So total current through the circuit is 3 ampere. Now this is the current that is flowing through the equivalent circuit. So my current I is flowing through this circuit. And this circuit is a series circuit. We know for a series circuit, current through each component of the circuit remains the same. So whatever current is coming out of the battery is the same current flowing through R1, which is the same current flowing through the combination of R2 and 3. So current flowing through R1 is also I. That means current flowing through the 10 ohm resistor is 3 ampere.